Good morning, I'm Steve Whitaker from Sunrise Seamless. We're here at a job site. This is a church that has been sold to a private investor. He is using it for storage of some sort and really needs the lower levels to be dry. And there is a chronic problem with water in the foundation and the basement. So he's hired us to put 6-inch gutters on and get the water away from the foundation. They previously were undersized 5-inch gutters. This is a little bigger project than we're used to. We do approximately 90% of our work is for typical residential houses. We do 10% or maybe more of commercial type buildings, but we can handle just about anything.